Rhyme G, original MC. G who? Beatbox. Rhyme G who? Hip hop music.
Nag-explanasyon, malalim pa sa balon. Kahulugan kung bakit ako nagrarap pa ngayon. Pagkat dito na hinumog ang buo kong pagkatao. Buong buhay ko sa mic ay idinisenyo. Kahit puro patibong sarap game may umapila. Hindi ko hinayaan na mahila pa nila. Ako na bababa, subukan pa nila. Masukol na daanan, binaybay kong mag-isa. Sumasalameng sa tanging saloobin. Isinusulat ang talata at nagbibigay diin. Kung sino, saan at anong pinagmulan. Basta lang tugmaan o may pinagugutan. Lahat ng yan, di mo maiintindihan. Kung sarado utak mo at di mo lalawakan. Ilang kadahilanan kung bakit mahal kong musika. Nananalaytay sa dugo ang tunay na rapista.
Rhyme G, original MC. G who? Beatbox. Rhyme G who? Hip hop music. My drugs and beats, my homes and streets. I'm not to leave hot a seat for those who's weak, and best believe I have to keep with no defeat, with no retreat. My only team, I only have to greet. PHBA, I'm here to stay, I'm proud to say nothing can ever go pass away. Microphone kings, whether I rap or sing. In any ring, I'll be taking no haters under my wing. Freestyle with the cover, doesn't really matter. As long we getting better and better together, how we endeavor. The elements, forgetting entitlements, remembering relevance, and looking for excellence and negative free. Ha! Spitting with lime, another brother from the gutter who be taking his time. Express the inner moments, who be speaking the truth, while I spread the ether power coming out from the booth. Rhyme G, original MC. G who? Beatbox. Rhyme G who? Hip hop music. Rhyme G, what's the deal, my man?
Huwag ka na magtanong, bumbuga naman dyan.
Okay, better check this out. Check this out. Rhyme G, you better provide me with lyrics.
Kailangan pa pambigatan, bilisan at lupitan, para lahat kayo ay maintindihan na dito sa laro, wag niyong idamay sa tirahan. Dahil ang iba baka kayo ay pamarisan, at ito'y magdulot sa kultura ng kasiraan. Good vibes at positibong mga musika, yung tipong pang relax at masarap sa tenga. Yung madaling sabayan na para bang pamasa. We're ending hate, saving all hip-hop resa.
Rhyme G, original MC. G who? Beatbox. Rhyme G who? Hip hop music. Rhyme G, original MC. G who? Beatbox. Rhyme G who? Hip hop music.